So in this video we will talk about Chia project crypto token, and you can see this is their official Twitter account. As you can see here, blue tick is given, and this is their keybase, and this is their website chia.net. In Twitter they have 87.8k follower and they're following 680 people. Now we will talk about if there are some update regarding Chia project. So you can see here 6 days ago they have made one update. We are excited to share our approach to NFT with the Chia NFT standard. You can start testing and development with our NFTO standard on testnet today. We can't wait to see the project you build. Read more about our process and approach. If you want to build the project, you can visit here. Okay, our vision for Chia NFT. So it's regarding NFT only. And one more update here, we have just released 1.3.5. 1.3 include Python 3.10 support, fixed separable bugs, and contains some quality of life improvement for small and large scale farmer. Download here, you can download it also. And is there any more update? So these are some updates which you can check. Now we will check about the current price of Chia project. Also in the short form Chia project, it has been set as XCH. So now we will talk about the price chart of XCH Chia crypto token. So according to trading volume, it is 1.24% up, price change is 0.41% down, and the current price is $38.24. If I talk about market rank, then the market rank is 163 and the market dominance is 0.01%. Now we will check the platform from where you can trade Chia XCH crypto token. So here are some platform like Wobi Global, Get.io, Kukan. You can pause the video and you can check this platform from where you can trade Chia XCH crypto token. One more thing, if you want to buy Chia XCH from Wobi Global, you need USDT so that you can get XCH token. Also one more thing, before investment in any cryptocurrency, please do your own proper market research so that you don't have any problem before investing. One more thing, I am not a financial advisor. I can just suggest you a platform from where you can trade crypto. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.